Welcome back to Raching Cars, your ultimate destination for the latest automotive innovations and car reviews. Today, we dive deep into the modern modified 2025 Toyota Crown Signia, a luxurious hybrid crossover that blends elegance, technology, and performance like never before. The 2025 Crown Signia has undergone a bold transformation with custom upgrades enhancing every detail. Starting with the exterior, the modified Signia features a sleek aerodynamic body kit, blacked-out chrome trims, and custom 20-inch forged alloy wheels with low-profile Michelin Pilot Sport tires for enhanced grip and street presence. A matte pearl white wrap gives the vehicle a futuristic look, while the smoked LED headlights and full-width LED taillight bar provide aggressive styling cues both day and night. The modified suspension has been lowered slightly with adaptive COI levers to improve handling without sacrificing ride comfort. Under the hood, the hybrid system has been fine-tuned with performance software for improved throttle response. While the stock setup offers around 240 horsepower from its 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with electric motors, this modified version pushes closer to 260 horsepower with enhanced battery management and EQ remapping. An upgraded intake system and performance exhaust give it a sportier tone without disrupting its eco-friendly character. Inside the cabin, luxury meets innovation. Custom Nappa leather upholstery with contrast stitching wraps the seats, dashboard, and door panels. A starlight roof liner adds a Rolls-Royce-inspired night sky vibe, while ambient LED lighting is fully customizable via a smartphone app. The 12.3-inch digital driver display has been customized with new graphics, and the infotainment system now includes a custom interface with advanced widgets for performance, GPS tracking, and hybrid system monitoring. A premium JBL sound system with additional subwoofers delivers a concert-like audio experience. Additional tech enhancements include a wireless charging dock with cooling, 360-degree HD cameras, and a digital rearview mirror for optimal visibility. Advanced driver assist systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assist, and automated parking have been retained and enhanced with aftermarket calibration for smoother performance. With all these modifications, the 2025 Toyota Crown Signia stands as a perfect blend of elegance, power, and futuristic style, ready to turn heads on city streets and highways alike. Thanks for watching Raching Cars. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the world's most stunning rides. See you in the next video.